Hey, editor. I used to think the reason I wasn't landing better clients was because I wasn't good enough. So I tried to prove my worth with every edit. I'd add graphics every 10 seconds, stack a bunch of sound effects, and work 12 hours straight just to make sure the client could see how hard I worked. But here's the problem: when your whole goal is just to not get fired, you can't create freely. You edit from fear, not confidence. And fear keeps editors broke. That's why even after years of work, most editors are still stuck at $150 per edit, trapped by their own fear of being replaced. Most editors, they stay stuck because they're just trying to survive, doing quote unquote enough to keep clients happy instead of mastering the deeper game, like moving emotion, building trust, and shaping stories that people feel. The best paid editors don't chase validation. They edit with a calm precision. They know when not to add something. They understand their value is measured by impact, not effort. Truth is, your biggest barrier isn't opportunity, it's how you see yourself. If you believe you're disposable, you'll work like it. If you believe you're irreplaceable, clients will feel it. Now, tomorrow, you're going to see exactly what happens when an editor finally makes that shift and how it changes everything. Y'all have a good one.